To remove nail polish without using any remover, try using another product that has alcohol in it, like hairspray, perfume, or hand sanitizer. The alcohol will help dissolve the polish on your nails. Just apply the alcohol-based product to a cotton pad, then rub it over your nails. Repeat until all of your nail polish is gone. You can also use hydrogen peroxide to remove nail polish. First, add 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide and 1 part water to a bowl. Then soak your nails in the mixture and massage the polish off with your fingers. White vinegar and lemon juice will also work in a pinch. Just add 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of vinegar, and the juice from 1 lemon to a bowl, and soak your nails in it for 10 to 20 minutes. Wipe off any leftover polish with a cotton ball. Whichever method you use, remember to apply lotion to your hands afterward to keep your skin soft and hydrated.